Hey guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can recover a message that has been deleted, either your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or any social media app. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button and like this video, share and comment. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to also be getting notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And by returning viewers, thank you for coming back guys. I will appreciate. So without wasting much of time, let me say more about this app. This app, you can get it on your Google Play Store, but it is currently not available on Apple Store. Sorry to iPhone users. So, but I found another app that can also do this, but I'm still testing it. So, going on that, we will made soon. So this app works on Android phone perfectly, even the basic delete message. I know how annoying it is to send you message and delete it. So without wasting much of our time, the app is available on Play Store. This is the app, WAR. I will have pronounced them together, but for the sake of this video, so I won't get subscription on my channel, so that's why I can't pronounce them. So like heading over to the app, turning on all the permission, accept this, enable. So you can see, let's follow up and enable the permission as it's asking for. So at this step, you have to pick out the social media app that you want it to work for. So I'm going for WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Facebook Lite, Telegram, Signal, be it any app. So just click on this allow button and you can see create a folder for it like this on your own storage and use this folder, then allow. You can see after this, let's click again and we are always there. So you can see any notification for those apps that has been deleted will be showing here. So if this tutorial for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers on my channel, thank you for coming back guys. I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Until then, peace out.